What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to look at Dogecoin here today. So yeah, what we're doing here today with Dogecoin is kind of a consolidation day because we did just have a lot of growth in our past few days. So this right here is just a short little 1 minute short-term chart. So as you can see, we are consolidating for the short term right now. And as I said, it is the short term, so we could break this trend line like later on around here. But yeah, we're going to be fluctuating between 60 cents and 59 cents right now. That's kind of just what we're doing here for the short term. But we did just come down from a downtrend here with Dogecoin. And we actually are going to, we actually did come up from an uptrend as well. This is an uptrend short term. But now that we are looking at it, our current trend is the consolidation trend. So we know that we're going to continue to trade sideways here. And honestly, whatever we do at the end of this consolidation will be big, just like I said in the previous video with the consolidation for the previous video. So whatever goes here, if we go this way, we will go there big or up big. It just depends which one has the most buying pressure and or the buying or the selling. If we're selling a lot around this time right here, then we're going to go down huge. But if we're buying a lot and there's like huge news thing, just a bunch of people, a bunch of media attention, a bunch of buying, then this one would be the more probable one. But if we don't see a lot of media attention, you can bet that we're going to go down a little bit more. And if we do, we'll probably come back to our previous support line down here, which was 52 to 51 cents. So if we do drop, we won't drop anywhere below 52 to 51 cents. And if we do jump, we can possibly go all the way up to $1 from here. Or I would say 75 cents first. I don't want to just outright say $1, but 75 cents first. And then, tomorrow that would be the 75 cents day. And then on May 8th, Saturday Night Live, that is the $1 day. I want to say we will reach $1 by May 8th. Now, honestly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but this is just what I believe we're going to do. I do believe by May 8th, we're going to go hit $1. We're going to hit $1, but when we do, we may see a huge drop. We will see a huge drop. So possibly a huge drop back down to about 75 cents. So nothing lower than that, because that's where our next jump is going to be, 75 cents, if we do jump by tomorrow. And I really do believe we will jump by tomorrow. So 75 cents by tomorrow is what I'm seeing. And then Saturday Night Live, $1. And if it doesn't go that way, then tomorrow could be a bad day, a red day. Tomorrow we may drop, like I said, down here to 51 cents. And if we do drop all the way down there, then that would mean that Saturday Night Live would only be probably a 75 cent day and not a $1 day. So those are our two options for the next 2 days leading up to May 8th, Saturday Night Live. Those are the two options that the chart really has to do. The only two options it could do. And honestly, I think it picks option one and goes up. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But yeah, I think option one, where it goes to $1, is more probable. But if it does go down, then it'll go back up to 75 cents and then eventually $1, just not $1 right off the bat like we want it to. But yeah, we are at 60 cents here, and this is our consolidation period. As you can see, there is more buying happening right now, right here in this particular area, than selling, which is pretty good because we are, consolidating here. We are trading sideways a little bit. So this is kind of where we decide, are we going to break out or are we just going to stay down? And it's going to kind of fluctuate until it kind of gets to that point. Honestly, it'd be cool if we just, went straight out like that and then broke the trend line here. But I guess we just got to consolidate on this trend line until we get here and really decide, are we going to go up big, or are we going to go down big? So honestly, we need something like this that happens right around here. And that would kind of, push people to start putting their money in. But yeah, this is just what we're hoping to see. We don't know if this will happen, but this is what we want to happen. But let's go ahead and check for our long-term chart. Let's look at the 45-minute chart. So even for the 45-minute chart, you can see that we've kind of been going on this same uptrend for a pretty long time. So let's go over here to this support. So look at this. this uptrend has been going on for a long time. So even if we were to drop, I don't believe, like, even if we were to have like a bearish type market, I don't believe we would even go below this point here at 50 cents. Like, we just did so much with Doge that 50 cents would be hard to go below, especially 40 cents. Like 40 cents was such line of resistance before that it's now definitely a support line for sure. So 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, these I'm seeing as our support lines, you know. So this is just what we're doing here for Doge, and I do believe we're going to continue to rise here in the long term and in the short term. And looking over here, we have $76.9 billion market cap, $27 billion in 24-hour trading volume, which is actually way lower than we were before when we had 69 billion. We almost touched 90 billion market cap. We had like 86 billion, 87, something like that. But yeah, we almost touched 90 billion in market cap, which is really big, because once Doge finally does that, look at this, we were number 4, but once Doge finally does that, we will be number 3, and we will take Binance coin out of the equation. And then once we finally hit $1, we'll still be number 3. And yeah, that'll be really big. But Cardano's been growing a lot lately. It's at $1.62. So yeah, we definitely have some competition trying to come up. But yeah, the Cardano is a really good one. But yeah, it looks like Doge is deciding to do option 1 and break out. So yeah, this is the line. But remember, it can drop between now and then. So this is what we were looking at here. But it could drop at any moment now. It could drop between now and anytime from now and later. But yeah, this is what we're looking at here. But honestly, yeah, if it does continue to drop here, then we will be in a bad spot, because then we'd have to go farther down the trend line. And that's why I said I just want to go ahead and break this trend line now. Just break it out now, so then we can continue to rise now. But we will see a lot of growth inside of Doge either way, even if we continue to trade sideways here, and even if we dipped down here, because long term we're still going to go up. And if we only came all the way down here to about the 51 cents support line, then we would go right back up. And it's so easy to break 60 cents now, because we're already at 50 cents, and it's not like how it was earlier before when we were below a penny. But now we're literally at 60 cents. So like, even if we drop down to 30 cents, we still have so much more growth to go upwards. So I don't think we'll drop down to 30 cents. I was just saying something way out of pocket, so then you can see the analogy here. But we know exactly what we're going to do with Doge. Doge is going to continue to rise, and that's just it. We just have so many people that are buying into Doge, so many people that are supportive of it. And let's go ahead and see how we have our Twitter right here. So yeah, we are not on the trending page anymore with the Doge, but we will get back there eventually. As we can see, we got the Slim Jim here, the Slim Jim Doge riding the Doge wave. They tweeted that about a minute ago. So yeah, we always have support here at Doge. Tag a company that needs to accept Doge for payment. That's a pretty cool post. GameStop, yep, GameStop needs to accept it. Full Send needs to accept it. Every single company needs to accept it. Yeah, that's definitely right. Amazon, OnlyFans needs to accept it. So yeah, this is where we are at with it. Let's just look up Dogecoin or BitPay. BitPay has been doing a lot of different things with Dogecoin, and they've been accepting it a lot of different places. Like Ace Jewelers has Dogecoin, but yeah, in a whole bunch of different places. But BitPay is really big on the Dogecoin wave right now. They're kind of connecting Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies to all these different merchants. So that is really big right now. I hope BitPay goes public, makes a stock, because that would be really good for BitPay, and it would be really good for crypto in general. So that would be good if they listed on NASDAQ. What else do we have? Yep, we have Gemini with Doge. But yeah, we have so many different things with Dogecoin. Let me look for Mark Cuban. That is another Dogecoin catalyst, because we know whenever our famous people say stuff about Dogecoin, Dogecoin is more willing to go to the moon than if they don't say anything about Dogecoin. Alright, so No, we've just been talking about his NFTs, but you can purchase his NFTs with Dogecoin. So that is in one way or another, Dogecoin related. But I guess these are just viewing. You can't buy these, I guess. But yeah, these are pretty cool. So let's look up Elon Musk, see if he has made any hints, because sometimes he'll do the he'll just like something and then that'll be like a good hint. So Starship landing, his Starship did go all the way up there and landing. But yeah, Saturday Night Live, he is there right now. They're probably doing this, or they're probably practicing the skit right now. So this is really big that he posts this, But look at this. This is really crazy that he posted this about Saturday Night Live, because, or well, reposted it, because they posted this, meaning that he's working on it now. He's probably working on some Doge memes right now. The Doge father. My wallet's at the top right here. Let's see what no, this isn't even Elon Musk. So yeah, be careful for these. You can see all these scammers trying to play as Elon Musk, trying to scam people. And you can also see inside of my comment section, there's also some scammers there. I actually want to go there so then we can see what is going on currently inside of the comment section of my videos too. So let's go over here so we can see what these scammers are doing. They're commenting in here as me, and they're not really me. They're just trying to scam you for your money. So let's see where we have our comments. Let's see right there, that is not me. So if you see something right here that says Marsellis, they're giving out a WhatsApp number. That's not me. They're just trying to scam you, or anyone else like this. This whole thing is a scam, but it's so hard to delete all the comments because I get at least 100 of these a day, and it's so hard to even like sort through my normal comments. So that's why I haven't been as active in the comments lately, because it's so hard to sort through them with all these. All of this is scam right here. Like all this is spam, scam, all that. Like it's so hard to even go through all of it. They'll have a fake conversation with themselves, and then right at the end they'll do this. And I guess this is a way of saying that I made it. Like I have bots that are posing as me, scammers that are posing as me. So I guess I made it in a way. But yeah, do not fall for any of these scams inside of the comments. Almost every single one of them are scams. There are some normal people in the comments, but now it's so hard to distribute and like to tell which one's real and which one's fake. Like I can't even tell if this is fake or real right here. But then when you go down and look at the conversation, you can kind of see that it's kind of fabricated. So this is kind of a fake conversation right here. So this whole thing is fake, I believe. This one's also fake. This one is real because I did make this video about Dogecoin when it was 6 cents. Then it went all the way up to 61 cents. So anyone that bought in when I told them to buy in way back in the day made a lot of money. Yeah, so this is a real one. This is a real one, and these are all real, but this one is not real right here. It's so hard to just remove them all because it's better just to report them for spam too. When you see someone doing spam, just report for spam. Yeah, let's just do that and get that out of here. And like this is spam. All of this is spam. But yeah, do not get scammed by people that try to pretend like me. Look, they're doing it over here too. I will never ask you for your number or your WhatsApp, and I will never try to take money from you. I'll never ask you for money. So that is something that you need to definitely pay attention for, because they are doing this inside of everyone's comments. They're trying to pretend like me, but you have to look for the little music symbol by my name, because the music symbol by my name will show you where it is actually. Let's go over to there and then do this. You will see the music symbol, or you'll just see it highlighted like this, and then there'll be like a music symbol next to it. So if you don't see that, do not respond to it, because that's not me. But yeah, let's continue to look at what we have here for Dogecoin. Let's go over here to Google Trends and see if we're trending as much as we were, because Google Trends is one of the biggest things dealing with Dogecoin, because we all know Dogecoin goes up when it's a trend and it goes down when no one really talks about it, and no one has been really talking about it recently. But what I mean by that is on Twitter, like it hasn't been trending on Twitter like it was, but we're still trending on Google Trends here nonetheless. This is for the past 4 hours. So it is lower than it was before. So that's why we started dipping, but we will see it continue to fluctuate later on throughout the day. So let's continue to look at what we have here. Yeah, so we did not break the trend line here, so that is what we need to look at. We did not break the trend line, but yeah, this is just where we're going with those right now. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood, Public, and Webull. I'll be back with another video. Peace.